Hello, my name is Monica Beccaria and I'm going to say some tongue twisters. All I want is a proper cup of coffee made in a proper copper coffee pot. I may be off my dot, but I want a cup of coffee from a proper coffee pot. Tin coffee pots and iron coffee pots, they're not used to me. If I can't have a proper cup of coffee in a proper copper coffee pot, all I'll have a cup of tea. 1-1 was a racehorse, 2-2 was 1-2. When 1-1-1-1 race, 2-2-1-1-2. Number 3. Of all the felt I ever felt, I never felt a piece of felt, which felt as fine as that felt, when first I felt that felt hats felt. Number 4. Amidst the mists and coldest frosts, with stoutest wrists and loudest boasts, he thrusts his fists against the posts, and still insists he sees the ghosts. 3 thin thinkers thinking thick, thoughtful thoughts. Thank you.